Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Coasters and Coasters. Today we are in Disney California Adventure. It's a bright and sunny day, and we're here to check out Cars Land.
That's right. And before we jump into today's adventure, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you also hit the red subscribe button so you don't miss any future uploads. And should we coast on over?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's go.
First things first, we got to jump on a ride right away. And we wanted to get on Radiator Springs Racers. The line gets crazy in the mornings. Everyone floods to this section of the park because it's just so well themed, it's so fun. So we figured we'd try single rider and see how fast that would cut down on the wait.
So the wait for Radiator Springs Racers is over an hour at this point. So we decided a single rider is definitely the way to go. We usually do single rider on this ride because it moves so quick. I think the way the ride vehicles are set up, it just causes a lot of open single seats to come up. So let's jump on. We love this ride, and getting in the single rider line was the way to go. I think we maybe waited 15 minutes, and I know the standby line was well over an hour at that point, but it's so much fun. It's like the best type of combination ride of a dark ride at the beginning and then a thrill ride at the end. I think the Imagineers hit it out of the park on this one. It's just awesome. Could we do a picture together? All right. Yay! I know, there are many talents. We weren't kidding when we were saying we were excited for this popcorn bucket. It's a killer deal. $1.50, refills as many as you want. Oh, and it smells delicious.
The drink of the day is the Garage Brewing Brake Light IPA from Flo's VA Cafe. We're hanging out here in front of the Cozy Cones. Let's give it a taste. That's really good. The description on the menu says that it has a citrus hop aroma, and I think they use the words bright or clean, but they nailed it. It's really good. It's really refreshing, nice and cold on a bright, sunny day.
I gotta tell you, Cars Land is one of my favorite areas in both parks. I remember the first day I walked down the main drag in Cars Land. My mind was blown because the theming is just incredible. I love the Cozy Cone Motel area we're in here now. I love that there's these 5 different cones that all have different snacks, treats, and beverages. But it makes me curious, what is your favorite treat or snack to get in Cars Land? Let us know. We would love to get to know what your favorites are so we can try them too. Put it down in the comments below. Well, Coaster friends, we had a blast hanging out here in Cars Land today. Thank you so much for joining us.
Until next time.
Cheers!